Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can redeem a GameStop gift card online. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's begin. Open your web browser and navigate to GameStop.com. Once on the website, locate and click on the sign out option. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to sign in. Now click on create account. Fill in your first name in the provided field. Now enter your last name, input your email address, then create a secure password. After that, provide your phone number. After entering all the required details, click on submit, confirm that your account has been successfully created. Now click on Shop My Store, scroll through the products and choose one that interests you. Explore the product details on the selected item. Then select the preferred delivery option and click on Add to Cart. Now navigate to View Cart and Checkout. Adjust the quantity if needed, review available plans, then click on Proceed to Checkout. In the Payment section, select Add Gift Card or Trade-in Credit. After that, enter the gift card or trade-in number, input the corresponding PIN, then click on Apply. So that's basically how you can redeem GameStop gift card online. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.